So guys, for today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa High Five KTV Bar kasi graduation ng aming pamangkin. Shoutout sa pamangkin namin dyan. Nicole Bancod, Lasanas Bancod. So, papasok na kami sa KTV Bar. Dito lang. Shoutout kay Kasipag, Tracker at Batang Pukatod. Sila Diday. Tsaka si Toto sa likod. Shout out Batang Pukatod. Shout out. Shout out.
What's up guys?
Batang Batang Pukatod. Uy, nandito pala yung nandito pala yung front row. Ayan, ang aming baby smile. Andito kami sa High Five Family KTV Bar. Tulog ang bata gamay. Ha? Yay! 22? Oh! Oh! Yay! Enggak sila. Ay, di lang ano? 17 na naman. Ano galing from Agman si Michael.
Ako ang nagkaon. Ako ang nagkaon. Shout out po. Batang Quiapo. Batang Pukatod gali.
Shout out kay Kasipag
Ha?
Yes. Ano kilo namin kamera yun? No? Kamera yaman.
Tulog akong baby smile. Ay, di na to. Baby smile is asleep. Play, where is play man? Sila yun.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Why?
to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Dali lang sa tubang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Lona. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ako alam wish ko lang lawan kita. Happy picture na birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. So go on, different less than so I can't deny this love feeling. Baby, long for your kiss. Go on, go on. Yeah, come on.
Baby boy! Overin check pa rin nagwadi. Baby boy!
The space